What if the next big humanoid robot opportunity is not in your kitchen? Not making coffee, not folding laundry, not gently staring at your dishwasher like it's just discovered philosophy. No, the real opportunity may be in places humans really do not want to go. War zones, dangerous industrial sites, hazardous logistic routes, inspection jobs, where one wrong step is expensive, painful, or both. Today's story is Foundation Future Industries, a San Francisco robotics startup developing Phantom, a human robot designed for military, logistics, inspection, and heavy industrial work. And this is important because most people are watching humanoid robots dance on stage. Businesses should be asking a much better question. Where can robots reduce risk, save time, and create real commercial value? Phantom has reportedly been tested in Ukraine, with early versions carrying up to 44 pounds. So no, it's not quite Terminator yet. It's more like a very brave robotic delivery assistant with slightly dramatic career ambitions. But the direction is clear. Humanoid robots are moving from cute demos into serious environments. Why humanoid? Because the world is built for humans. Doors, stairs, corridors, tools, ladders, vehicles, warehouse, factories, and construction sites. A human-shaped robot could in theory use those spaces without businesses rebuilding everything from scratch. This is the dream, but here is the reality check. Businesses do not buy science fiction, they buy results. Humanoid robots must prove they are safer, tougher, cheaper, and more useful than drones, wheeled tracks, robotic arms, or robotic dogs. And that is where the future gets exciting. The winners in robotics will not just build impressive machines, they will solve dangerous, dirty, dull, and difficult jobs with real return on investment. I'm RoboPhil, your robot YouTuber. Subscribe to RoboPhil for daily robotics news and practical robotic business strategy.